Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking your MacBook Air model and Mac OS version so drivers and power needs match. Next, choose the primary USB-C port and align the hub straight into the port. Avoid forcing it. If the hub has an external power delivery input, connect its power adapter now so high-draw devices will work. Once done, wait a few seconds for Mac OS to recognize the hardware before moving on to attaching peripherals. You now attach your monitor, external SSD, and input devices to the hub in order of priority: video first, then storage, then peripherals, to reduce bus conflicts. Make sure the monitor input matches the hub output type and use active adapters for 4K or high refresh rates. After connecting, open system settings to check displays, storage, and sound so you can assign resolutions, mount points, and audio output. If a device is slow, try a different hub. You finish by safely ejecting external drives and organizing cables to avoid strain. If a device isn't detected, first unplug the hub, wait 5 seconds, and reconnect. Then reboot your Mac if necessary, because that often restores bus enumeration. If problems persist, swap the USB-C cable or test the hub on another computer to isolate hardware issues. One key troubleshooting tip: check that the hub's power delivery meets your monitor and drive power requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.